have a special mission today. The video that Jen stole containing the knowledge about economics has been retrieved from our nemesis, but she locked the video and left a question for us to answer.
Wait, what video?
It is the video that can save mankind from lack of knowledge. When she knew that we retrieved the video, she sent this to us. Here, let's watch.
I know you'll retrieve the video. That's why I put a very strong password to it. That only smart people like me and true blood economists not like you can answer it.
That is a very important video that will give the people the answers they're looking for years. Wait, why would Jen steal the video?
Simple. She wants to get the information for herself. And that's where you angels will come in. We retrieved the video from her, but she put a very strong password to it.
Can't we just use high-tech gadgets to unlock the video?
No gadgets we have can unlock the video. I have tried but failed. I need you angels this time to unlock the video. There's a question about economics that we have to answer. We will need no gadgets, but your knowledge about economics.
Already.
We're on it, Charlie. Where's the video anyway?
There's a slight problem. Haven't I told you that there is a password limit? I tried answering the problem myself and failed 7 times. We only have 3 chances left. I'm sorry.
Oh no! What if we can solve the problem correctly? The knowledge hidden in there will be gone forever! Don't panic, Sis. I'm confident that we will answer it correctly. That's right. We'll do our best. So, shall we start?
Carla purchases food measured by X and clothing measured by Y, and has a utility function xy. Her marginal utilities are MUX equals Y and MUY equals X. She has a monthly income of $800. The price of food is $20 and the price of clothing is $40. Find her optimal consumption basket.
So, from the provided problem, the given are u equals xy, mux equals y, muy equals x, I equals 800, px equals 20, and py equals 40.
Optimal basket will be on the budget line. This means that PXX plus PYY is equal to pi. Or with the given information, 20x plus 40y is equal to 800. So after that, what do we do next?
Since the optimum is interior, the indifference curve must be tangent to the budget line. From the equation, we know that the tangency requires that MUX over MUY is equal to PX over PY. Or with the given information, Y over X equals 20 over 40. The second step is to solve for X. Using algebra, we get 40y equals 20x. We need to divide both sides by 20. The answer will be x equals to y.
The third step is to substitute the value of x to the budget line equation. So we get 20 times 2y plus 40y is equal to 800. Or 40y plus 40y is equal to 800. Or 80y is equal to 800. We divide both sides by 80, so we get y is equal to 10. After that, what do we do next?
The next step is to substitute 10 in the equation x equals to y to get the value of x. So 2 times 10 equals 20. Therefore, The optimal consumption basket is 20 units of food and 10 units of clothing.
Wait, let's check if it's correct. Let's substitute the optimal baskets to the original budget line 20x plus 40y equals 800. If x equals 20 and y equals 10. So, 20 times 20 plus 40 times 10 then 400 plus 400 equals 800.